Hi, and welcome to Hands-On Education. This video is about cave paintings from the Stone Age. Some historians believe that caves were special places to people living during the Stone Age, not only as a place to shelter, but also as a sacred place. Caves are dark places, and humans would need to make a fire by burning wood or animal fat to see inside. Cave paintings often show images of the animals alive during this time period. This painting is from Chauvet Cave in France and shows cave lions, a predatory animal alive during the Paleolithic era, giving us a clue as to when it was painted. These paintings of animals were also found in Chauvet Cave. What animals do you see here? These paintings show images of wild horses, the woolly rhino, and aurochs. All of these animals were alive during the Paleolithic era, confirming when these paintings were created. This cave is called Cueva de las Manos, which means Cave of Hands, and was discovered in Argentina, although similar paintings have been found on rock walls in Europe, Africa, and Australia. Some historians believe this was a way for artists to sign their work. To make these handprints, humans sprayed paint through small hollow bird bones. This painting is from Lascaux Cave, also found in France. Above the horse you may notice some markings which look like lines. Some historians believe this may have been a way of counting the days or months. This painting of a bison was found in Altamira Cave in Spain. What colours do you see in this cave painting? You may notice that the outline of the bison is in black, and it is filled in with shades of red and yellow. Humans used natural sources to make their own paints. To make a black pigment, they used coal or soot from a fire. To make red and yellow pigments, pebbles with these coloured minerals were ground into a powder and mixed with water. It is possible that images were also drawn and painted on exposed rocks outside of caves. However, exposure to the weather would mean these paintings would have been worn away long ago. Humans also made their own painting tools. To cover a large surface with a heavy paint, humans made leather pads filled with moss and grass. To apply the paint more delicately, they made their own paintbrushes using feathers, horsehair, and even sticks. For your hands-on activity, create your own artwork inspired by Stone Age cave paintings. Create your own painting tools and use the same colours used by early humans. For more information about this activity and more activities related to this time period, please go to handsoneducation.com, Stone, Bronze and Iron Age. We hope you enjoy creating your own Stone Age artwork. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you soon. Bye!